Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. And of course, on Jamaica Walk By, we're giving you the natural ambiances of Jamaica. And of course, we have to hook you up with the hotel property tours. First and foremost, let me just thank you all from the bottom of my heart for the continued support. We have grown so much in a little over a year, and we are just blown away by the support that we have been receiving from you, our subscribers and our viewers. So today we have a very special treat for you. We are at Riu Ocho Rios. So Riu Ocho Rios is located right here in Miami Bay in the parish of St. Anne. It is a 4-star hotel and it's a crowd favorite for the Jamaicans. This property tour is long overdue, but we're gonna try our endeavor best to show you all the crevices and corners of this property so you know what to expect when you get here. If you look to my left there, you can probably see a bit of the water park that they have. Oh my god, it is so fantastic, and of course we're gonna take you over there as well. So I do hope that you enjoy this video. Please be sure to also look at our room tour. So we also did an extensive video of the room so that you know what to expect when you get there, and we hope that you tune into that as well. So of course we're still gonna ask you all who have not subscribed as yet to do so. Subscribe to our channel. Be sure to comment in the section below. Tell us what your experience is like. What's like coming here? Have you ever returned? What was your experience like? Was it good? Was it bad? Just let us know what do you think in the comment section, and also you can even hint us on videos that you want us to do in the future. So enjoy this video and thank you all. So far, of course, is that Riu is a 4-star hotel. It has all of what you would expect from a typical all-inclusive property. It boasts over 900 rooms. It should be a 24-hour all-inclusive service, but due to COVID restrictions, some of the services might be a bit limited, but you can still come here and have a wonderful time. Now, we are currently looking at the water park. It is known as Splash Water World. So this specific one is the adult slides, and it has variety of slides, very fun. So this is definitely a property that you can come with your family. There is something here for the children, for the teens, and you would definitely have a wonderful time. And along with the Splash Water World, of course, they have 5 lovely pools, sun lounges. They have umbrellas where you can lay off on the pool sides and just unwind, right? They also have a Rioland Kids Club, but again, due to COVID-19 restrictions, I haven't seen where the Rioland Kids Club, which is an indoor play area for children, I don't see where it has been utilized since I have been on property. Now, we actually came here, Fabian and I came here last year, July, which is 2020, July, and with COVID being just a couple months old at that time in Jamaica, it wasn't all bad, but there were many limitations, and I can say that this time around the experience was a lot better. The limitations were a lot less, and we see more persons coming out as well. Now, it all depends on what your personal preference is, but for me, I do not fancy an overly crowded resort. When we came here on Friday, the property wasn't crowded, However, there was an influx of persons who came yesterday, which is Saturday, so everywhere is crowded. So might not bother some people, but I just cannot with the crowded areas. But what I realized with this property is that with the price, to be honest, if it is that you want to experience a good all-inclusive experience without paying such a exorbitant high price, then you can come here, because the price it's not the lowest, but it's not as bad, and I believe that you get good value for your money here. So remember earlier when I mentioned the Rio land, the kids club, so that is over to my right now, which is an indoor play area, no longer in usage, or they have paused for a while due to COVID-19. So I've never been inside, but based on what I'm seeing, they seem to have a lot of toys and activities on the inside. So hopefully we can go back to something close to normal so that we can enjoy all of what this property has to offer. Now the splash water world is separated in the adult section and the kids section. Right, so of course for the kids section, an adult or a parent, an adult must accompany their child to this area. Toddlers and small children are allowed to participate or to utilize the slides, but like babies wouldn't be allowed to do so. But very fun for the children. They have, I am seeing about 6 slides, and also we have sun lounges on the side. So for the parents, you come, you bring your children and you want to monitor them, you can do so in comfort. And of course you have the rules mounted there just for each person's safety. So they recommend that you don't run, of course, no jewelry. Of course you need to follow the instructions given by the lifeguard and all that. So you're coming with your little ones, there is something here for them. Now we are on our way now to the adult slides, which is not for the faint of heart, but I think everyone who comes here should at least try one of these slides. Of course, all pools and water slides are monitored by trained lifeguards. We also have the rules mounted at the front. Due to COVID-19, I think they restrict each person's to 1 hour, utilizing this area 1 hour, so that they can limit the traffic in here. And I must say, these lifeguards, they are very attentive, they are very fun as well, and they make the experience a whole lot better. Now this slide here is for definitely those persons who can swim, as when you drop out into a pool that is 6 feet 6 inches deep. So only persons who can swim are allowed to enter that particular slide. Now the main pool here that you fall into is 4 feet 3 inches So as you can see, children are in there as well. I think you have to, children are allowed to use this section, but they have to reach a certain height limit, and I think that height is probably, I think they said once the child can, their feet can touch the ground, while when they drop into the pool, then they will be allowed to utilize it. And you know, of course, they have to ensure that they are strict with these things to ensure safety. So these slides, as I said, is not for the faint of heart, but I still believe that everyone who comes here should try. So we have the closed ones and we have the open ones that give you a higher rush to me. And of course, in the pool areas on this section, swimming is prohibited. So once you exit the slides and you go in the water, you try to make your way out of the pool. By doing that, they're trying to minimize accidents. So they don't want anyone to be lingering in the pool, and then someone slides down, and then, you know, there is a collision. So
yeah, you slide on. That's the slide, that's the slide.
So we're gonna give you a look. I think it is 4 stories. Is it 4 stories high or 3 stories high? They provide steps for you to climb up and then slide down.
ready? No? Come on, just do it. Close your eyes and do it, man. One, two, three, go. Yeah, that's it. Go, go, go. Come on, go. Shoot off on the surf, man. Go, yeah, shoot off the surf. Right. That's it. That's it. You're good, man. It's not that bad.
approaching the lobby area, and first impression is always good. And the front here I would say is well kept. The green areas are lovely, and we see where they are doing a good job at maintaining these green areas. There's also another parking lot over there, and I think it's also for guests, but that parking lot is now full. So upon reaching here, they sanitize your luggage. They take your luggage and sanitize them, and then put them to the side while you go ahead and check in. Lovely lobby, nice architectural designs on the inside, accessories and lighting and fixtures, always a good, beautiful thing to see. A lot of staff out here as well to help you, any concerns, any issues. Or check-in Friday was good. It was good. We didn't have to wait for a long time to check in. Which I think is also a nice gesture. So Sunday, it's now a little after 10, so very soon a lot of persons will be checking out, as checkout time is 11 a.m. But for now, out here is not crowded at all. Checking into a hotel sometimes you kind of like, oh, it's not that big of a deal, but it is, because I've been to a property which I won't name, but a property that has been getting a lot of hype in the last year or so, and the check-in was so awful. Like, it was just awful to say the least, and nobody even come in to check on you and to say, hey, you soon get through, or like, it was just so awful. Their customer service overall is non-existent, so that's the next story. So we have seating areas out here. So you come with your family and you're checking in, you're tired and you want to just sit down and rest your feet, or anytime throughout the day you just want to hang out here, you can do that. And I like their choice of colors. They have a lot of seating areas out here, and I think they are adequately spaced to allow for social distancing as well.
up Boston. Just a small one over that side, you know. Always good to go somewhere and see some people you know or somebody will recognize you, know, because sometimes you have on the mask these days, you can't see nobody, you don't know who is who. So big up the general, Kaiban and music. Oh, yeah man. Yeah, try to get a vlog out, you know? Yeah, man, show the people how Jamaica pretty and be nice for and thing, yeah. Look at that section here there. As you see her, you know, so she's in her gym, you know. As you see her, you know, so you're in the gym, you know. Yeah, man. Bless up, bless up. Alright, so my general, take it easy. We're there, pass through, you know? There, pass through. What the man name from, bro? So like you're not one of them users that they just dead. Oh. Alright, send me a message for the gram so I can, you see? You're back a blessing, see? Blessed. Always a blessing, you know. People recognize you and thing and show you some love. Because honestly, my mask up. So I look for people recognize me still, you see. Bless up my general. I big up a superstar in our business. You don't know we have a general Rico in our place.
Yeah, you know somebody there, I tell you something, I just release my new singles and look out for people there next week as we speak.
Give them a date.
But they are the whole clique. When the fucking take go off, mate, fucking face tear off. Blood a go run, blood a go run. I used to kill them and I used to fire arm holder, travel with that. Yeah, Rico, sir. Look out for the video next week as we speak. God rest them.
Mad, see. You know, anyway, we're going to Jamaica and we see superstar, then you have to give them a year, you have to give them the blessings, because more love and more energy, you see me? Yeah, man, from artist to another artist. Big up every time, in general. Bless up the whole fam, see? Alright. Alright, so we catch DJ and she a baller now. I say, Ray, no catch her, no catch her. She there up on her vacation, I go and chill back, go and enjoy herself. The same man who call her out, I say we not have to catch him, now we have to catch him. You see me? Man, them look fly, looking real rich, chilling, enjoying themselves.
Like Skyfield.
Me not tell you, man. So, it's Jamaica. So bless up all of my entertainer, co-workers, them, family, and everything. You see me? So more have to see. So Jamaica walk by here. Madam Bud. Alright, you know the thing, God bless him.
We ain't do nothing. We got up, ate breakfast, and then by the water.
Rico, you send it here. Yeah. And you know Jamaica walk by is uncut, all natural. We don't cut nothing, we don't take out nothing. What you see is what you get. What we talk about is what you hear. So big up every time. So that's how we do it. We just preserve the culture. We're not dashing nothing. Keeping it natural. Yeah, you know, we have a little bit of volleyball going as well. That's right. Oh, what go on? There, man. There, go and get a little vlog, you know, get some video and show people and walk go and enjoy yourself, same speed. You see it, all is well. You dip on it. Alright, big up every time. You hear that? See. Man, big up every time. Yes, so bless up all King Original Massive, all my subscribers, all my viewers, you don't know, all my special supporters, you don't know, friends, family, you know, loved ones, everyone who is here and in the reach of my voice. I just want to say big up and thanks for watching. This has been another episode of Jamaica Walk By, and you don't know, we have brought to you right now Rio. So big up every time, blessings, thanks for watching. Like remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe, leave a like, comment in the comment section, that way we can reason and, you know, communicate. So big up every time. Thank you guys so much. The support has been extremely overwhelmed, so big up every time, really appreciate it. So yeah man, share this, you don't know, whatever. So just big up every time. Thanks again in a million. Another episode of Jamaica Walk By, signing out. Big up every time.